Blutbad.
Hello and welcome back to another behind-the-scenes toy photography video. Today I'm going to show you how I created the setup for this photo, which I've entitled Don't Disappoint Me Again. I'll also show you how I edited the image in Photoshop. For this shot I used figures from Hasbro's Star Wars The Black Series. We've got Han Solo and Chewbacca, Boba Fett and Bib Fortuna, and Jabba Desilijic Tiure, who is too large for my turntable. I make a lot of dioramas for my shots, but they take a lot of time to imagine and set up, so this week I thought I'd keep things simple and take a shot of just some figures against the background. The key to doing this is to get your lens nice and close and try to fill up as much of the frame as possible. Then all you need is lighting and a decent background and you've got yourself an easy shot. Here's my starting image. Like my dioramas, sometimes I can get a little too complicated with my editing, making all sorts of structural changes and combining too many exposures. So in the spirit of keeping things simple, I didn't really do a whole lot to this shot. I simply added some adjustment layers and edited out the articulation joints. And then did a little bit of dodging and burning. So once again, here's my starting image. And here's where we ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Thanks, and until next time.